Ya llegó el cut. ¡Virga! Estrenando los LEDs. Shh, compa Carlos. Fuga. ¿Cómo? ¿Sí quema o no?
No quema,
¡Ah, a la verga! Here to the spot. I feel like he's gonna try to swing it, a ver. Swing it! Swing it! Oh, never mind. Alright, you guys, we just made it out here to the spot. Sacando las fotos. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Johnny Reels Official. Ahí van a estar las fotos disponibles, yeah, by the time this video is out. So make sure to go check it out and give me a like, follow, and then follow me on TikTok too. We're doing some TikToks ahí, Johnny Reels Oficial también. Y yeah, so ahí estamos. We're about to take some pictures. We're gonna wait for more cuts to pull up right now. Alright, you guys, we're about to try to get some rolling shots before the sun goes down. As you guys can see, ya se está bajando un poquito. Y ahí viene la policía. A ver si no dice nada. Pero we're gonna try to get some rolling shots. My cousin's gonna be driving the truck, and I'll be recording some cinematic shots for you guys. Ahí pa' que lo vean. Y ahí estamos. Fuga! Alright, you guys, and just like that, we're about to get some freeway shots. Ahí está el primo with the truck. If it focuses, pero ahí estamos.
Chucky got the sauce, bitch. Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
We got the other cup pulling up. Sheesh. A la verga, casi le pego a la verga. Puro cat eye. Sheesh. Que andamos los cup. No quema cup. God damn. Little photo shoot moment. We're still waiting on one more cut though. ¿Qué andamos? Andamos haciendo un movimiento nomás para sacarnos unas fotos. But stay tuned with these pictures, guys. They're gonna go up on my Instagram, so stay tuned. Yeah. Sheesh. Andamos. No quieren salir los cuts. Este camarada ya le está hablando a la novia. Nah, just kidding, puro cotorreo. We made it to our next spot. Another cut pulled up. Ahí están los cuts tomando fotos. Pero qué tal. ¿Se miran perras las mamalonas o no? Sheesh. I think they look badass. These pictures are gonna come out fire, guys. Stay tuned. Sheesh. Compa Carlos. Right button. Today I have some news for you guys. No se me vayan a agüitar, but we are gonna let go of the mamalona. But all the cuts pulled up. Sheesh! Compa Carlos just got a new exhaust. Fuga, dale! Shit, what the fuck? Homie wanna race or what? It's cause I was racing and shit. Hold on, let me answer this real quick. Yo!
How far did you go?
Bro, I fucking passed the exit. I got off right here on Northern. It's cause that fool was trying to race.